All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Review It All. My name is Chris. If you're new here, I make videos 5 minutes or less on products on Amazon I think you guys will enjoy. Today we are talking about the Skylight Calendar. This is the 15.5 inch. This does come in 3 different sizes. You get 15.5 inch, a 10 inch, or a 27 max calendar. We obviously went with the 15.5. And before we get into it, let me go ahead and show you guys what's in the box. Now obviously you get the calendar itself. And then you get the mounting plates for the wall if you want to put it on the wall, or if you want to put it on a kitchen counter like we do. Obviously we have it horizontal, but you can do it vertical as well. And the mounting plates will allow you to do that. And then obviously you get the charging cable or the cable that connects to the outlet itself. So having said that, let's jump into some of the features. Right here we have it on a week. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a month. All right, so starting at the top left, we have the date, time, how cold it is outside. It's very cold. And then right here on Magic Import, you can drop down and you can forward school emails, send spreadsheets, PDF files, and send photos and screenshots, as well as add your email. And then right here we have the different color codings for each person in the family. We have me as blue, my daughters, and pink and purple, and my wife in gray. So that way you can quickly see who needs to do what whenever you look at the calendar. And then if you want to drop it from the day, so today my daughter has Girl Scouts at the Mermaid Factory, or if you want to make it a week, you get the week. And if you want to make it the month, obviously you do the month. Now let's look at the schedule. So today, and you can map out times. So if you want to do like 1 to 3 p.m. or 2 to 4, something like that. So you can make the schedule. Let's put it back on the week. That's what we keep it on. Now say if I want to go from, we'll do it on the month. And I want to see what I have for the next couple months. In April, we have all this stuff going on, but I want to get back to today quickly. Just hit today and it'll go right back. And then I can hit week just to kind of zoom in a little bit and see what we need to do. All right, so that's the top row features. Let's go down the side. I just showed you guys the calendar. Now chores, this is the fun one the kids love. Obviously they're color coded the same as the calendar. Now my daughter, she fed the dogs this morning. She forgot to click on this, but when she feeds the dogs, this is what happens. You get the little star, and then you get a little thing of confetti that comes down. Okay, and then my other daughter, once she finishes all 3, she'll get the same thing. As you can see, for the month, she has 17 stars. And once they finish that, they finish everything for the month. You can hit over here and hit rewards. If she finishes everything at the end of the month, she'll get a new Yodo card, which is like a child game card, like radio listening thing. And then sometimes we'll do like a trip to the dollar store, stuff like that, you know, just small little incentives. And they get the little confetti thing. They absolutely love it. Meals, we don't have a lot of meals planned right now. We haven't played with this option much. We just got this thing, but you can add meals. So if I want to add what I'm going to have for lunch today, you can make your own recipe or say whatever you want, hamburgers, fries, whatever it may be. Or you can say, I'm going to have pizza today at lunch, and it just shows up. That way, you know, the kids know what you're going to have. They might get excited for it. They might not. Vegetables, broccoli, bleh. And then you can take off whatever you want. So if we don't want the snack on there, we'll go ahead and take that off. That way it's just breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Photos. Before I go into the photos, I'm going to blur some of the stuff out because it has a lot of pictures of my kids. Now there is a subscription fee to the Skylight Calendar. I believe it's $79 a year, which may sound like a lot, but it comes out to about $6.50 a month. And then you get all the features. If you don't pay for it, I believe you just get the calendar itself. I could be wrong. Please let me know in the comments down below if I am wrong. But so photos. So you just saw the whole grid. Once the grid is up, you can click on one, and you can either wait for it to scroll through, which we have it set to every 10 seconds. So I'll let it go ahead and scroll through. There you go. Or you can do this yourself and scroll through. Now we have 127 photos. I'm not going to show you guys all of them. And then when you're done with it, you can let it go on forever, or you just tap on it and then it goes back to the photos. Also with the photos down here, you get that little play button. You can click play. It'll start chronological order, and then you just tap it to get back on. You can scroll through to start on a certain one if you want. There you go. So, and then now we have our list. So if you want to make a grocery list, enter item. We'll say pizza, just because it's easy. Bam, add. Now if you have the Skylight app, this will show up in your app on your phone. My wife has it on her phone, I don't have it on mine. But if you have the Skylight app, it'll show up on your phone. That way when you're at the grocery store, you click on the app and say pizza, I got it. You click the little button, it'll disappear on here while you're at the grocery store, which I think is kind of cool. All right, and then you can drop it down, and then to-do list. You can make up your own list. We have a to-do list on here. Sign up Maddie for karate. And then you can also add a new list if you want, color coding it. However, let me get rid of this keyboard. There we go. So if you want to add a new list, there you go, shopping, to do, other, or whatever you want to do, just list it, color code it, bam, there you go. So there's a lot of really good features on this thing, and I'm not very organized. My wife is very organized, and gentlemen, if you're watching this, this is a great gift for the wives, just so you guys know. Especially if you're not organized, it's helped me out tremendously. So, and then you have a sleep button, so if I click it, it's just gonna put it to sleep. I'm sorry, this is gonna pop up. Then you get enter sleep mode now, or you can change it to a certain time. So right now we have it set for 11 p.m. This shuts off completely, turns back on by itself at 5 a.m. Or you hit it now and just a black screen. To turn it back on, just tap the screen, it comes back up to the last one you were on. And then settings, you can connect to a Wi-Fi, enter your zip code, all that cool stuff. And then if you want to make your text small, medium, or large. Display density, so you can get cozy or snug. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is on that. Okay, so snug makes it really small. I don't like that, so we're going to go back to, where'd it go? So settings, snug, we'll put it back on cozy. There you go, I like it bigger. And then automatic brightness, everybody knows how that works. When the sun hits it, it's going to get darker and then lighter. Brightness, we just keep ours at 100%. Volume. All right, so that's the general settings. Calendar settings, you can change the day you want it to start on. So we have our Sunday to Monday. It's pretty standard. Or you can have it start on a Monday. And then calendar display name. I don't think we have a calendar display name just yet. And then if you want to preview the chores in the calendar, you can put that on. And then week review, start on the current day that you're on. So chores, we only have our daughters up there. I'm not putting myself on chores. And if the chores are late, it'll show, and then show complete chores as well. Photos, you can make it a screensaver, so it automatically comes on. Right now we turned ours off, and I'm not sure why. I'll go ahead and put that back on actually. Show time and date, turn on after 5 minutes. So if I'm not using this, 5 minutes later it'll pop back on. And then it goes in chronological order, or you can just do shuffle. And then the blur effect is going to give you that blur effect in the background. I'll go ahead and show you that real quick, what I'm talking about. Let's see this one. So you get that blur effect in the background. And then you can show one item at a time or two. And then again, this is the timer of how long you want your photos up. So right now we have ours set at 10 seconds. You can set it between 1 to 2 minutes, and we just have it set for 10 seconds, so it scrolls through. So that is basically it. As I said, gentlemen, if you're watching, this is a great gift for the wife. If you guys want to try to get organized, this is an outstanding product. There will be a link in the description down below. If you're interested, if you tried these things out and you like them, please let me know down below in the comments, or if I missed anything that you think is important. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. And for your viewing pleasure, this is me cooking breakfast for the family on Christmas. See you next week.